Hello, everyone! Are you ready to unlock your financial freedom and take control of your income? Today, I am going to share with you 9 game-changing income ideas and assets that will supercharge your earnings and transform your life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Real estate. Investing in property can provide a steady stream of passive income and long-term appreciation. From rental properties to house flipping, the possibilities are endless. Number 2. Stocks and shares. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful wealth-building tool. With the right strategy and research, you can watch your money grow over time. Number 3. Online business. In today's digital age, starting an online business can be a lucrative venture. Whether it's e-commerce, freelancing, or creating digital products, the internet offers endless opportunities. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale, you can generate passive income and build a thriving online business. Number 5. Cryptocurrency. The world of digital currencies offers a new frontier for investment. With careful research and smart decision-making, you can ride the wave of the crypto market and see impressive returns. Number 6. Side hustles. Whether it's selling handmade crafts, offering services, or driving for a ride-sharing app, side hustles can supplement your income and help you reach your financial goals faster. Number 7. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks can provide you with a steady stream of passive income. By reinvesting your dividends, you can grow your wealth even further over time. Number 8. Rental properties. Owning rental properties can be a great source of passive income. By finding the right tenants and managing your properties effectively, you can create a reliable income stream for years to come. Number 9. Online courses and education. Sharing your knowledge and expertise through online courses can be a rewarding way to earn income. By creating valuable content and marketing your courses effectively, you can build a successful online education business. There you have it, folks! 9 game-changing income ideas and assets that can revolutionize your financial future. Whether you're looking to diversify your income streams, build wealth, or achieve financial independence, there's something for everyone in this exciting world of opportunities. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring, start investing, and start transforming your income today. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for watching.